Hi everybody, this is Here's How, because why not? And today I'm going to show you one of many basic ways to open and close a butterfly knife. How you get your knife and where you get it from is none of my business. But if you do get your own knife, if you're a beginner, make sure it has a dull side. So that's the blade, and that's the dull side. And that's going to be the side that you hold, so that if the blade hits your hand, it won't cut you, or it's less likely to cut you.
So there's 4 things that need to happen here. The knife flips open, rotates 180 degrees, flips over, and then flips back. You're open. Same 4 steps we go back in reverse. So the knife flips closed, rotates 180 degrees, flips over, and flips back. And now you're closed. Once you're comfortable with those 4 steps, connect steps 1, 2, and 3 into a single fluid movement. Do this by rotating your wrist in a circular motion. So in one fluid movement, open, rotate, and over, then flip it back to open. Same thing. Close, rotate, and over, flip it back to close. Here it is one more time, a little bit faster. And here's a bunch of things you should do with your butterfly knife instead of stabbing people.
Disclaimer.